Hello friends, welcome to Quick Learn 30. We are going with our series of computational thinking and artificial intelligence for class 6 mathematics. Today we are going to start with chapter 7 fractions. So we have set of 10 questions. Let's start quickly. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं चैप्टर 7 फ्रैक्शंस। पहले क्वेश्चन से अक्षय आशय scored the following marks in 3 subjects. Dance is 22 out of 25, maths 41 out of 50, and science 93 out of 100. What do we have to do? Arrange these 3 subjects in descending order of how well he performed. Descending order means big to small. So we need to find the highest one and the second highest and the third highest. This is dance, this is maths, and this is science. Firstly, we all know that all the 3 fractions are unlike, the denominators are not same. So firstly, we have to make it same. And 25, 50, 100 has the LCM of 100. So we can make it 100 by multiplying by 4. We can make it 100 by multiplying by 2. And this is already 100. So we will multiply by 1. So now these will become equivalent fractions. This will become 88 by 100. This is equal to 82 by 100. And this is equal to obviously 93 by 100. Now you have to arrange as per the descending order. The highest marks are 93, science, then dance, and then maths. Which option? Science, dance, and maths. Option C. So the denominators were not same and we made it same and then we compared. I hope this is clear. Starting with second question, what will come in place of this question mark? These 4 portions are shaded. So fraction is 4 out of 9. These 3 portions are unshaded. So fraction is 3 by 9. These 2 portions are shaded, the fraction is 2 by 9. So firstly we took shaded, then unshaded, then shaded. So now it will be unshaded. Unshaded is 1. So what will come in place of this question mark? It will be 1 out of 9. I hope this is clear. So let's start with question number 3. Arrange the given fractions in ascending order. Which option can be placed exactly in the middle of the new arrangement so that the order remains ascending? We have 4 options. We have 4 numbers: 10 by 15, 8 by 9, 17 by 18, and 5 by 6. These fractions we have to firstly arrange in the ascending order. So the denominators are not same. We have to take the LCM of all the 4 denominators, which will come out to be 90. So let's multiply this by 6. 15 into 6. I'll multiply the numerator. 9 into 10 will be 90. I'll multiply the numerator. 18 into 5 is 90. I'll multiply the numerator. 6 into 15 is 90. I'll multiply the numerator. So with this I get 60 by 90. I get 80 by 90. I get 17 5s 85 by 90. I get 75 by 90. Next thing, to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order will be, first will be 60 by 90. Second will be 75 by 90. The third will be 80 by 90. The fourth will be 85 by 90. I have left some space in the middle because we have to fill this middle space. Now, which number should come out of all the options so that the arrangement does not change? Can I fit 68? No. After 75, I cannot fit 71. I can fit 84? No. So I need a number between 75 and 80. That will be 77 by 90. My arrangement has not been changed. I have only fitted 77 by 90 into it. So option C is the right answer. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं फोर्थ क्वेश्चन से. टू नंबर्स 23 by 18 and 7 by 54 are taken. A binary operation is performed on them and the result obtained is 31 by 27. What operation might have been performed on them? That means 23 by 18 और 7 by 54 के बीच में कुछ तो हमने ऑपरेट किया, so that our answer came out to be 31 by 27. राइट? तो अब हमें पहले तो हमारा डिनोमिनेटर होना चाहिए 27. तो हम तीनों का 27 नहीं बना सकते, 54 को भी 27 नहीं बना सकते, तो 18, 54, 27 का एलसीएम ले लेते हैं जो कि 54 होगा. तो हम सबको पहले लाइक फ्रैक्शंस बना देते हैं. 18 इंटू 3 तो इधर भी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3, 27 इंटू 2 तो इधर भी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. दैट मीन्स 69/54 में से 7/54 क्या करें ऑपरेट कि हमारा आंसर 62/54 आ जाए, क्योंकि तीनों डिनोमिनेटर अनलाइक थे, तीनों को सेम करा। अब देखना है क्या ये प्लस करके आएगा, क्या ये माइनस करके आएगा, क्या ये मल्टीप्लाई करके आएगा, या क्या ये नन ऑफ दिस। डिवाइड का तो चांस ही नहीं है। किस में आ रहा है 69 माइनस 7, दैट मीन्स विच ऑपरेशन वी हैव परफॉर्म्ड, वी हैव परफॉर्म्ड द सब्ट्रैक्शन। क्योंकि तीनों डिनोमिनेटर्स डिफरेंट थे, 18, 54 एंड 27, उन तीनों को सेम किया एंड देन वी चेक कि एडिशन हो रही है कि सब्ट्रैक्शन हो रही है कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो रही है। आई होप दिस इज क्लियर। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन से। इन अ क्लास ऑफ 50 स्टूडेंट्स 20 आर बॉयज एंड द रिमेनिंग आर गर्ल्स। तो बॉयज अगर 20 हैं तो गर्ल्स कितनी होगी हमारी क्लास में, 30 होगी। ठीक है। Of the girls in the class, 1/3 like singing. So singing 1/3. 1/3 of singing will be, so girls will be 10. And 2/3 like dancing. So dancing के लिए होगी हमारी 2/3, that is 20. Which total makes up to be 30. But they say 5 girls like neither singing nor dancing. तो 5 girls जो हैं हमारी 30 में से 5 girls तो हमारी कुछ किसी चीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट ही नहीं कर रही। So we have 25 girls now. Okay, that means 5 girls अगर singing और dancing like नहीं कर रही हैं, now we have 25. That means how many girls we do have this like who likes both singing and dancing? We have now 5 girls, that means who like both singing and dancing. 25 girls में से 5 girls ही हैं जो singing और dancing को like करती हैं, that means 5 out of 30 girls, that is the fraction will be 1/6. Now the sixth question. Tim has some sons, some daughters and total 27 grandchildren. तो grandchildren तो हो गए हमारे 27. 2/3 of his children are male and rest are female. तो children कितने हैं ये अभी हमें पता नहीं है, children कितने हैं पता नहीं। Each of his son has 2 sons and 1 daughter. जितने भी उसके sons हैं उसके 3 बच्चे हैं, 2 sons and 1 daughter 3, और जितने भी उसकी daughter हैं उसके भी 3 बच्चे हैं। तो चाहे 2 बेटी हो एक बेटा हो, चाहे 2 बेटे हो एक बेटी हो, ऑल इन ऑल एवरी चाइल्ड हैज 3 चिल्ड्रन अहेड। दैट मीन्स अगर हर बच्चे के 3 बच्चे हैं एंड देयर आर एक्स चिल्ड्रन ही हैज, the total grandchildren will be 27 using the simple equation. That means x will be 9. That means टिम के कितने चिल्ड्रन हुए, 9. Out of this 2/3 of his are male. तो मेल चाइल्ड कितने हुए, 2/3 of his total children which is 6. तो फीमेल चाइल्ड कितनी हुई, obviously that will be 1/3, that is 9. So how many daughters does Tim have? Tim has 3 daughters. I hope this is clear. Let's start with the ninth question. Some number appears in the series as shown below: 1/2, 3/4, 1, 5/4, 3/2, 7/4. Which of the following statement is definitely true regarding the above sequence? Firstly, let us see how the sequence is moving. The sequence is moving plus 1/4. Then again plus 1/4. The pattern goes plus 1/4 everywhere from each place to the next. The seventh term of the series would be 5/2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when you add 1/4 to it, the term will become to 8/4, that is 2. It will not come as 5/2, so that is false. The difference between the sixth and the eighth term. Sixth term is we have six term, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth term is 7/4, and then you have seventh term is 8/4, and the next term is eighth term is 9/4. 8/4 plus 1/4 will be 9/4. So 9/4 minus 7/4, that will be 2/4, which will be actually equal to 1/2. So it is not 3/4, that is again false. The product of the 7th and the 10th term is 20 by 4. The 7th term is actually 8 by 4, which we have calculated. The next term is 8 by 4. The next term is 9 by 4. The next term is 10 by 4. 11 by 4. We keep on adding 1 by 4 to it. So we need the 10th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 into 11 by 4. That is 22 by 4. We can say 11 by 2. So the product is 20 by 4. No, it is again false. Moving on to the next D part. D part says the sum of the 9th and the 11th term. The 9th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 4, and 11th term will be 12 by 4. That is 22 by 4. That is, yes, so the sum in the 9th term is 22 by 4. That is true. I'm sorry, that is true. We calculated the 7th term, 9th term and the 11th term. The sum is coming out to be 22 by 4. That is correct. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं 8th क्वेश्चन से, जो कि है Aman and Samarth appear for an exam. Each of them attempts all the questions. Aman says 1/3 of my answers were wrong. Samarth says 5 of my answers were wrong. If both of them together get 3/4 of the answer right, how many questions did Aman get right? हमें ढूंढना है कि अमन ने सही क्वेश्चंस कितने करे हैं. तो पहले ऑप्शन ए जो कि 20 है, इसको डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. लेट्स डिस्कस दिस 20 ऑप्शंस. सो लेट्स सी अमन ने राइट क्वेश्चंस करे 20, and if his 1/3 were wrong, that means 2/3 were right. That means 2/3 of the total number of the questions were Aman's 20 questions which were right. That means total questions were 30. Total questions were 30. That means Samarth made 5 wrong. That means his right answers were 25 right. And Aman's right questions were 1/3 of 30. That is 20. 1/3 were wrong. That means 10 were wrong. That means 20 was right. Total together 25 and 20 makes 45 right answers. Out of how much? 30 and 30 Aman ke, 30 Samarth ke, which means 45 out of 60, which we can say 3 by 4. And if both of them get together 3/4 of the answer right, मतलब अगर 20 questions paper में अमन के सही थे तभी ये 3/4 बना. That means option A is correct. I hope this is clear. We can try with all B, C, D parts. We will not get 3 by 4. By chance I took A option first and I got my right answer. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं 9th क्वेश्चन से. राजू's age is 2/3 of his brother's age. Currently, if one of them is 30 years old, which of these options does not represent the possible age of Raju's brother? So या तो राजू की एज 30 है या तो उसके ब्रदर की एज 30 है, क्योंकि वन ऑफ देम इज 30 इयर्स ओल्ड. इफ वन ऑफ देम इज 30 इयर्स ओल्ड तो हमें तो बताना है कि डज नॉट रिप्रेजेंट राजू's ब्रदर. तो ये केस तो हुआ ही नहीं कि हम उसमें ले सकते हैं. और अगर राजू की एज 30 है and this is 2/3 of brother's age is Raju's age, that means brother 2/3 of brothers will be Raju's age, that is 30. So simple equation use करते हुए it will be 3 by 2, 2 into 15, that is 45. तो या तो ब्रदर केस 45 इयर्स का होता या ब्रदर 30 इयर्स का होता. तो हमारे पास या तो ब्रदर 30 इयर्स का हो सकता है या 45 इयर्स का होता है. 27 इयर्स तो दोनों केसेस में निकली. So that means which does not represent the possible age of Raju will be 27 years. दो था ना, वन ऑफ देम इज 30 इयर्स ओल्ड, तो ब्रदर को 30 मान लो तो ये केस हट जाता है. और ब्रदर राजू को 30 मान लो तो ब्रदर 45 का निकलता है, तो ये केस निकल जाता है. तो या तो भाई 45 इयर्स का होगा या 30 इयर्स का होगा. दैट मीन्स 27 इयर्स का होगा ही नहीं इस केस के अंदर. दैट मीन्स 27 इयर्स इज द राइट आंसर. Let's start with the 10th question, the last question for the day. The figure shows 3 square bricks of the same weight, each divided into equal pieces. Which options correctly represents the relationship among these pieces? If we see the first figure, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So each part is 1 by 8. Here it is 12 pieces, so each part is 1 by 12. And here are 9 pieces, each part is 1 by 9. And we have to now see which option represents the correct relation. Now we have one blue piece here, it will be 1 by 12. We have two greens, we can say 2 by 8. And here we have two blues, that means 2 by 12. Here we have one yellow, we can take 1 by 9. Now that it says 1 by 12 plus 2 by 8, how much it will be? The left hand side. If we take the LCM, how much it will be? 2 plus 6, 8 by 24, which will be 1 by 3. So this side total will stand for 1 by 3. And if we add this, 2 by 12 plus 1 by 9, 4 plus 2 into 3, 6 plus 4 by 36, that is 10 by 36, that is 5 by 18. Now the one side is 1 by 3, the other side is 5 by 18. This is actually 6 by 18 and it should be greater, but the weight is on the 5 by 18 side, that means this is false. Okay, now we see the B part. Here we have three blue parts, that is 3 by 12, and one yellow part, that is 1 by 9, which is equal to, again the LCM will be 36. 9 plus 4, that is 13 by 36, the left hand side. And if we see this, 1 by 9 plus 2 by 8, the LCM will be 72. 1 by 9 plus 2 by 8, it will be 8 plus 18, that is 26 by 72, that is 13 by 36, which means both are equal and they stand on the same way. That means our B option is correct. Similarly, you can find C and D, but here on the B part only we have found our correct answer. I hope this is clear.